My Rockwell Delta 14-inch bandsaw model 28200 restored. Took a good bit of it totally apart. It was very rusty. I cleaned it, wire brush, primed it, painted it this nice gray color, pretty close to the original color. Tabletop was very rusty. Cleaned it, and it's looking pretty shiny. Put a Johnson's paste wax on it. You notice, you say, well, what about them guide blocks? Kind of funny looking. That's Osage orange soaked in mineral oil. And let's see how she starts up. I had to replace the cord. Obviously, it was very frayed, dry rotted. I'm going to get some polyurethane tires for it. It had the rubber. They were very dry rotted, cracked, and just very bad. And let's see here. You can see what it sounds like. Runs very smoothly. There you have it, the Delta Rockwell, or Rockwell Delta, however you prefer, 28200 14-inch bandsaw.